山绕出山路18弯
Do you ever why don't you wear a suit? Why don't you wear a suit? You're the highest level in this country's office and you refuse to wear a suit.
一条河曲折蜿蜒流向那海的那边越过红泥泞的舞台甩过多少遍自强不息的少年终会攀登高山巅等鲜花开满山雪融化后就是春天当风吹起了帆吹到少年间